Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best sourdough machine is probably one of the most exciting kitchen appliances to hit the market in recent years. If you're a bread enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates the taste of freshly baked sourdough, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving deep into the world of sourdough bread machines, exploring their features, and helping you find the perfect one to elevate your baking game. Number 5. No Fuss Bread Machine Cookbook. Are you looking for a way to enjoy fresh, homemade bread without all the work? This cookbook is your answer. It offers hands-off recipes, making perfect bread easier than ever. This book provides a collection of recipes designed specifically for bread machines. It simplifies the process, allowing you to enjoy delicious bread with minimal effort. Just add ingredients and let it do the work. With this cookbook, you can create a variety of breads, from classic loaves to specialty creations. It guides you through each step, ensuring perfect results every time. It's the perfect way to elevate your meals. The recipes are straightforward and easy to follow, even for beginners. It includes clear instructions and helpful tips to ensure your success. You'll be baking like a pro in no time. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly baked bread every morning. This cookbook makes that dream a reality. It's a convenient and delicious way to enjoy homemade goodness. What we like. This cookbook simplifies bread making. It provides easy-to-follow recipes. If you are a beginner or prefer convenience, this book is your perfect companion. What people say. The bread machine is easy to use. The machine has a variety of settings for different types of bread. The machine makes a great loaf of sourdough bread. Number 4. Neretva 2LB Bread Machine. This bread maker offers 20 preset programs, including options for gluten-free and sweet breads. It also has settings for different crust colors. It can make loaves up to 2 pounds, perfect for serving the whole family. The machine features dual heaters, one on the bottom and one on the top, ensuring even baking. The 550W high power reduces baking time by over an hour, so you can enjoy fresh bread faster. The bread pan is made of non-stick ceramic, which is chemical-free and easy to clean. The stainless steel body is durable and heat-resistant, ensuring your bread is baked to perfection. With the 15-hour delay timer, you can have fresh bread ready when you wake up. It also includes a keep warm function and a power interruption recovery feature. The motor operates quietly, so it won't disturb your peace. The package includes various accessories like measuring cups and spoons. A recipe book is also included. If you have any questions, their customer service team is available to help. What we like. This bread machine offers a wide variety of baking options. Its dual heaters ensure even baking, and the large capacity is perfect for families. If you need a versatile machine with consistent results, consider this one. What people say. The easiest machine ever. Excellent quality. Comes with everything needed, measuring cup and spoons, to add the ingredients. Has numerous breads labeled on the top for easy access to set temp, and comes with a MIT to remove. Makes 1.5 pounds loaves and 2 pounds loaves. See through top to keep track, and the book tells you the step-by-step cycles it goes through. Simple as add all ingredients and turn on. Kneads, mixes, rests, rises, and bakes all by itself. Beautiful design and well worth the month compared to other more expensive ones. Made my first loaf and it's perfect. Excellent 5 out of 5, and I never give that. Number 3. Homemade bread slicer with adjustable guide. Tired of uneven bread slices? This slicer ensures perfect, uniform slices every time. It's designed to make your homemade bread look and taste its best. This slicer features an adjustable width, accommodating various bread sizes. Whether it's a baguette or a large loaf, it can handle it. Made from high-quality, durable PP plastic, this slicer is built to last. It's non-toxic and safe for use, ensuring no harm to your hands. The built-in crumb tray keeps your countertop clean. It catches all the crumbs, making cleanup a breeze. Plus, it can also serve as a dinner tray. This bread slicer is designed for easy storage. It folds flat and can be easily stored in a drawer or cabinet. It's perfect for any kitchen. This slicer is perfect for slicing homemade bread, bagels, cakes, and more. It helps you create professional-looking slices every time. It is a must-have tool for any baker. What we like. This slicer ensures perfectly even slices every time. The adjustable guide accommodates various bread sizes, and the crumb tray keeps your counter clean. If you like to make homemade bread and want consistent slices, this is a great choice. What people say. Setup was quick and easy. The owner's manual, a series of sketches, wasn't needed. I like that it holds the entire loaf and allows slicing without moving it, unlike my previous slicing guide that can handle only one slice at a time, which must be removed before the next cut. This guide makes thin slicing easy. Number 2. Koolstuffs Silicone Bread Sling for Dutch Oven. Introducing the Koolstuffs Silicone Bread Sling, designed to make your baking experience easier. This innovative tool simplifies transferring your creations in and out of the Dutch oven. The long handles on both sides are a game changer. They protect your hands from burns, allowing you to safely remove your baked goods. With its non-stick surface, cleaning is a breeze. Simply rinse it with water or toss it in the dishwasher. It's that simple. Made from food-grade silicone, this bread sling is built to last. It's flexible, resistant to deformation, and a sustainable choice for your kitchen. This bread sling can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It ensures even heat distribution, preventing burning and delivering perfect results. Beyond bread, it's perfect for cookies, pizza, and more. It is an ideal gift for any baking enthusiast. What we like. This silicone sling makes it easy to lift your bread out of the Dutch oven. Its non-stick surface and easy cleaning save you time. If you want to avoid burns and make bread removal a breeze, you should consider this. What people say. The bread machine is easy to use. The machine has a gluten-free setting. The machine makes a great loaf of bread. Number 1. Banneton Bread Proofing Basket Set and Sourdough Kit. This all-inclusive kit has everything you need to bake like a pro. It's designed to make the bread-making process simple and enjoyable. Just unbox it and start baking. Forget flimsy alternatives. This is skillfully woven from top-tier Indonesian rattan. It's built to last, providing reliable support for your bread, batch after batch. Unleash your inner artisan baker. These aren't just tools, they're your baking companions. Use them to improve your skills, wow your friends, and enjoy the praise. Bring your family together with the wonderful smell of homemade sourdough. This kit is your key to healthy, home-baked goodness that's fun to make and share. This includes easy-to-follow instructions. Plus, you're protected by our guarantee of a free replacement or refund for any defects. We want all bakers to be happy. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to make artisan sourdough bread. The durable baskets and easy instructions make the process enjoyable. If you want to start making sourdough bread at home, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. Everything feels nice and sturdy and the razors are so sharp and precise. I love being able to measure out my bread loaves with the silicone mat, thank you OCD, for perfection every time. Great kit, includes everything need to start making bread. The Danish whisk is the best tool I have ever had for mixing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.